folks, Chris here, and I'm doing a little something different. If you're used to my videos before, I usually just kind of get you into a ballpark of what something's worth, taking as is to your scrapyard, opposed to taking home and spending a few minutes tearing it apart, which I'm going to continue to do that. But right now, I am going to put a 33-day journal together on is it worth my time? Can I actually make money doing this? And we're going to see where we're at on March 7th. And I've only picked this date because it's my wife's birthday, and I have a lot of projects to finish up before now and then, but I want to make sure I have the money to buy her the gift I've been wanting to buy her this year. So I hope you watch this day by day, and we're going to find out if scrapping on a part-time basis can actually supplement your income.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.